What if I told you there's a simple tech hack that can help you make $100 a day and you don't need any special experience, advanced skills, or even a huge time commitment? Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the thing. It's absolutely possible, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. Stick around because we're going to cover everything you need to know to get started. From what this hack is, to how it works, and even some pro tips to maximize your earnings. You're not going to want to miss this, so grab a coffee, settle in, and let's dive into this game-changing way to earn passive income. Before we get into the hack itself, let's talk about passive income, because this is the key to understanding why this works so well. Passive income is any money you earn without constantly trading your time for it. Think of it like planting a tree that bears fruit over and over again. Once you've set it up, you keep earning without having to put in daily effort. Why does this matter? Because the world is shifting. The traditional 9-to-5 job isn't the only way to make money anymore. Technology has opened doors to creative and effortless income streams, and this hack I'm about to share is one of the best examples. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing an extra $100 in your account. Money you earned while you were sleeping, hanging out with friends, or even binge watching your favorite series. That's the beauty of passive income, and that's what this tech hack can help you achieve. All right, here it is. The simple yet powerful tech hack that can help you earn $100 a day. It's called sharing your internet connection through apps that pay you for doing so. Let me introduce you to the star of the show, Honeygain. Honeygain is an app that lets you share the unused portion of your internet bandwidth with companies. These companies use it for tasks like market research, web analytics, and content delivery, and in exchange, they pay you. It's completely legitimate and incredibly easy to set up. Here's how it works. Think of your internet like a highway. Most of the time, we're not using all the lanes. Honeygain takes those unused lanes and rents them out to businesses that need extra capacity. In return, you get paid for bandwidth you're not even using. It's a win-win. But wait, some of you might be thinking, isn't this dangerous? What about my privacy? Great question. Honeygain uses a secure, encrypted network to ensure your data is protected. It doesn't access your personal files or sensitive information. You're simply sharing bandwidth, not your personal data. So rest assured it's completely safe. Getting started with Honeygain is ridiculously easy. You don't need to be a tech expert or spend hours setting it up. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Download the app. Head over to the Honeygain website or your device's app store. It's available on Windows, Mac, Android, and even Linux. And yes, it's completely free. Create your account. Once the app is installed, sign up for an account. This takes just a few minutes. You'll also need to link a payment method, like PayPal, so you can cash out your earnings easily. Connect your devices. Here's where the magic happens. Connect as many devices as you can. Your laptop, smartphone, tablet, and even old devices you don't use anymore. The more devices you connect, the more bandwidth you can share, and the more money you'll make. Let it run. After setup, Honeygain runs quietly in the background. You don't have to monitor it or do anything. It's a true set it and forget it system. While you go about your day, Honeygain does the work for you. Now let's get to the juicy part. How much money can you actually make? On average, Honeygain users earn $1 to $5 a day per device. If you have multiple devices running the app, you can easily scale that up to $100 a day or more. For example, let's say you have 5 devices connected. Each one earns about $5 a day. That's $25 a day from just letting the app run in the background. Over a month, that adds up to $750. Not bad for something that requires zero effort. Want to hit that $100 a day goal faster? Here are some insider tips to help you maximize your earnings. Use multiple devices. The more devices you connect, the more bandwidth you can share. Don't just stick to your phone. Add your laptop, tablet, and even old devices gathering dust. Stay connected to Wi-Fi. HoneyGain works best when connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. Make sure your devices are always online to maximize data sharing. Run it 24/7. Since HoneyGain doesn't require any attention, let it run day and night. The more uptime you have, the more money you'll earn. Leverage the referral program. HoneyGain has a referral program that lets you earn a percentage of what your referrals make. Share your referral link with friends, family, and your social media followers. This can significantly boost your income without any extra effort. If HoneyGain sounds exciting, then you'll love hearing about other apps that work in similar ways. Diversifying your passive income streams is one of the smartest strategies to maximize your earnings. So let's take a closer look at PacketStream, MobileXpression, and Peer2Profit, and how they can complement HoneyGain to help you reach your financial goals. PacketStream operates on a model similar to HoneyGain. It lets you sell your unused internet bandwidth to companies that need it for research purposes, secure browsing, and content delivery. The key difference? PacketStream offers a marketplace model, giving you a bit more flexibility. MobileXpression is another fantastic option, but it works slightly differently from HoneyGain and PacketStream. Instead of selling bandwidth, MobileXpression collects data about your internet usage patterns, which it uses for market research. In return, you earn points that can be redeemed for rewards. Peer2Profit is another excellent app that lets you earn by sharing your internet connection. It stands out because it supports a wider range of payment options and works in more countries than some of its competitors. By using HoneyGain, PacketStream, MobileXpression, and Peer2Profit together, you can create a diversified passive income stream. While each app on its own might not make you rich, the combined earnings could easily add up to $100 a day or even more over time. You're probably wondering, does this really work? Well, let me tell you, it absolutely does. In fact, many users report earning hundreds of dollars a month with just a few devices. Imagine what's possible if you scale it up to 5 or 6 devices. The best part? It's completely passive. You don't have to babysit the app or spend hours managing it. It's like having a money-making machine in your pocket. So, there you have it, a simple tech hack that can help you make $100 a day. No experience required. Whether you're looking for extra cash to pay the bills or save for something special, this is a great way to get started. Have you tried any similar apps? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech hacks, money-making tips, and insights into how technology can transform your life. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tech-savvy and keep building your future. I'll see you in the next one.